stew peas, fried chicken, cowhead.
Chef Bailey. How them for taste? Them crazy?
Food I serve, I don't know stew peas gone out. Not true?
Yeah, man, Bailey's kitchen, man. I don't know things, man.
Yeah, man. Naturally.
Fully active,
Clearly.
man. Today I went to say stew peas.
Stew peas there. From look flower gone way over some boy. Exclusive, you know?
See? Look. Bailey's kitchen.
That is it.
So, we are out here. So make sure you guys come out.
Yeah, man, make them know say I'm close by to the police station. Eh? See the police station at the far, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, no can't miss. Winners. Naturally, man. Are the big artist this? Every time, you know? Yeah, man.
Go ahead.
What? Nice little mixture, you know? Everything. Yeah, man. Covered. Beautiful. Nice.
Alright.
Nice. People, I don't think Chef Bailey sell this the mixture like this, you know. I just because I exclusive, you know. Yeah, man. But people are beautiful. Beautiful. Look real good, you know. Yeah, man. Chef boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. Man. See there?
People. Why?
See what I'm going?
Food they look good. Yeah, man.
Trouble.
Respect the boss.
Yeah, man. Just check it out. Bailey's Kitchen.
Bailey's Kitchen. Why
Yeah,
the food
man.
hot?
Now what you want?
Why, people? Look at this. Stew peas, fried chicken, co-ed. Can't get no better than this, beautiful people. This is, it look good. I mean, I tell them, I can tell you say this tastes good. I can tell you this a bun off me and see, I can try to find something and hold it. Yeah, man. Beautiful, man. Get a look deep in there. Stew peas, yeah. Spinach them. People, beautiful. Beautiful, I can tell you that. I'm telling you that. Look at that. Stew peas. 120 out of 100. Chef boss,
Yeah.
big up yourself. See my people.
Every time, man. So we did a match day. 100.
They say that much, you know understand that much, go, not
We did
you?
a match day.
120 out of 100. Rice.
Alright. Just come and check us out, alright?
Perfect, boy. Rice
Bailey's
tastes good.
Kitchen.
Rice, nice. Normally I take pasta, but the pasta not available today. So we got the raw veg, people. Yeah, man. Natural vibe. I don't know the chicken. Wow. Beautiful. We're going to take a piece of cow head now. Cow head. Cow head. Heavenly food. Heavenly food, my beautiful people. Man, I like heavenly. It tastes so good. Yeah, man. When you want to know if you find him, Rollington Town. Rollington Town, Kingston. Gilcher Street. Yeah. Another area there, right across from the police station in Rollington Town. Bailey's. Bailey's. Food tastes really good, man. Piece of the pigtail. I drop it, one drop from me. Oh my god. Piece of the pigtail. People, this is it. When you don't know, your life good. Give thanks to everybody where tune into this one. Big up Michael, Chef Bailey, you don't know. Another chef the right, so I work with him, you don't know. You don't want to learn how to start in your own restaurant. I'm going to do another video on that. But I'm telling you, vibes. Vibes, right, people. Cow head, fried chicken, stew peas, good vibes. So we're just there, in-depth review, Streetside Restaurant. You don't know. Bless up on yourself, your life good. Drop a subscribe, drop a comment. We are tune out right now.
Yeah, man, see it there? Bailey's Kitchen. Stew peas, you know? I eat people. Rollington Town in front of the police station, you can't miss it.
Chef Bailey. How them for taste? Them crazy? I hate this. I hate this piece.